Students join UNC's ballroom dance team to stay fit and twirl away stress. And when it comes to competitions, the dancers buckle down to bring home ribbons.
My favorite part about competing is winning. Everything else is not acceptable.
And when they do, the team attended the Carolina Fall Classic in October. The Tar Heel dancers won 2 first-place ribbons, 2 second-place ribbons, and 5 third-place ribbons. This success does take a little extra preparation and dedication.
So to prepare for competition, one thing that we would do differently is do rounds more often. So if we do a Latin round, it would be samba, cha-cha, rumba, jive, all back to back, 90 seconds apiece. And that just, you have to work really hard and do it full out so that you're prepping for the actual competition day.
Some team members join with no previous dance experience, but that doesn't stop them from taking the stage and foxtrotting their skills for the judges. Newcomers get the chance to whirl and twirl at the next event, the DC Dance Sport Inferno.
This will be my first competition, but I did go and watch CFC last competition, so I sort of have an idea of what it's going to be like, and I'm excited. We actually had a mock competition this Sunday, so we got to do a full dress rehearsal, dress up, look fancy, and that was definitely a good experience for the coming week.
It doesn't seem like nerves are an issue for these dancers. With that confidence and hard work, the team could be adding to its ribbon collection. In Chapel Hill, I'm Haley Ray reporting.